what's up you guys, Toby Zero Voltage Beast, and I swear if my dad freaking bugs me. Okay, thank God. Pretty much I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a new Xbox One headset that I got. It's not the Astro 840s, but it is a really good headset, and yeah, I'll meet you guys there. Okay, so this is the headset, the Kuma Tektron or something like that, and it is for the Xbox One. So yeah, let's get opening this bad boy. Okay guys, so here's the headset, like I said. Alright, let's get opening this bad boy if I can even open it. Oh man, this is so hard to open. Okay. This is hard to, oh, don't know what this is. Let's see. Yeah, I know. Oh wow, you can use it on the Wii U, the Nintendo 3DS, the PlayStation Vita, and on my phone. Wow, that's actually really good. Oh man, these are sick. There's a headset in there. Dude, these look like freaking turtle. Oh, yes! I can actually wear them like this now. Yeah! Let's go. I guess these are like the worst ones of the Astros. I guess it's a mix between Astros and like, I don't know, like Astros and Turtle Beaches, because like, look at the inside. Like they look like fucking Turtle Beaches. Alright. Big old cord. Oh dude, this is sick. See, check it. Wow, this is actually really cool. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Peace.